In this Pella Windows versus Andersen Windows video, we take a look at how Pella Windows stack up against Andersen Windows across several important window categories, so let's get started. Number 1. Products and services. Both Pella and Andersen provide high-quality door and window replacement products. Both window brands can be used for window replacement and new construction purposes. 2. Window types. Both Pella and Andersen offer a full range of window types including awning, casement, double hung, single hung, sliding, bay, bow, and custom windows. 3. Window materials. Pella windows are available with 3 window frame material options: vinyl, fiberglass, and wood. On the other hand, Andersen windows are available with 3 window frame material options: wood, fiberglass, and Fibrex, the company's proprietary blend of 40% wood fiber and 60% thermoplastic polymer. 4. Warranty. Pella Windows offers a limited lifetime warranty with 2 years skilled labor coverage on the majority of its Windows products for the original purchaser. Warranty term becomes 10 years upon transfer. Andersen, on the other hand, offers a transferable 20-year limited warranty on glass and a transferable 10-year limited warranty on non-glass components. 5. Service area. You can purchase both Pella and Andersen windows from local window installers and retailers across the United States. 6. Prices. While window prices vary widely across styles and sizes, in general, Andersen windows are typically priced at a slight premium to comparable Pella windows. For the best, most current pricing on replacement windows, simply click on the link in the description below for an instant Windows price quote. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.